Hey guys, here's 420. This is a 2009 ICCE 300 Ex-Baldwinsville Central School District. It's mine now. Yeah, I wish I had actually taken this video before we started the conversion, but whatever. We had to change the warning lights out from the front to the back. Yeah, we took out the school bus sign. Yep. Walls Central School District. Yeah, they cut out these and they left these just dangling, so yeah. See, it does 437's back door. Yeah, we're trying to take this off. We're actually gonna get a brand new door from Mike and B. So, yeah. 37. Not for hire. You have to put those on too. I'm going to get a new IC logo for the back bumper. Yep. I'll just let you school district. It used to be a 30 passenger bus, but yeah, now, yeah. Yeah, most of the stuff here actually came from 421. This first aid kit's from 421. Trash cans from 421. Spark brakes in 422. Yeah, what else? I don't know. But yeah. One of my step arm assemblies. Yeah. Yeah, I wish I took the video before we cut some of the seats out, but heck. Yeah, this is 394's boom. I think that's kind of special. Yeah, let's get right in on it then. Yeah. Yeah. One of the best decisions I ever made. Yeah. As for 275, yeah, I kind of had to give that up, so. Yeah, I'll update you guys on what happens with 275, but, yep. Thanks for watching.